Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to record and transcribe a call in iPhone. Now recording and transcribing a call on iPhone is a very easy step. You just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to open the control center from the very top right, and here you will see the option of screen recording. So you may simply long press on it, and here you will see the option of microphone. So you just need to enable it, and you need to select the screen recording option, and you need to click on the option of photos. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to save the screen recording on your photos. Now the thing is that recording and transcribing call on iPhone can be a bit tricky, and iOS does not natively support recording phone calls for privacy and legal reasons. But the thing is that you can try the alternative way by screen recording your device, or also you may use the various third-party apps for recording calls. So you may find various third-party apps on your app store. So you may simply open App Store and click on the option of search, and you may simply search the third-party app on your app store, and you may simply install it. So after installing, then you'll be able to record the phone calls and transcribe it on your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can record the calls and transcribe it on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the videos. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.